Hello, welcome back to my channel. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos, and thank you all that subscribe to me. I really appreciate that too. These hangers, I had to order more. These are from Amazon, and I absolutely love these hangers. They are really, really cute. And my husband, you guys, my husband hung these. He didn't want to hang no curtain rods. He wanted the professionals to do it. And I'm like, sweetie, you did a good job. So he did a very good job hanging these curtains. This box has the hangers that I just hung up, but also these gold knives. I got this at Amazon. These knives were so cute. Now, I didn't know if I was going to like the holder because the holder is clear. It's like a really, really hard plastic. But when I put it all together, I really, really enjoyed it. And it's almost like a little art, little piece of artwork sitting in my kitchen. So I'm enjoying it. Here I was just talking about these window, they go on your curtains to help hang your curtains. Well, yeah. And I was looking at how brassy gold they were, and I didn't like them, so I'm going to take those back because they don't look anything like that. And so those are returning. And then these placemats, when I looked on Amazon, I thought they were white with the gold streaks and a little gray, but they were a little bit more gold a little bit more gray than I like, and I thought they were going to match those coasters. I was contemplating returning those too, but I'm going to keep them because they look cute on my table all together. And those coasters also from Amazon, and I like those coasters. They came in a little case. So, yep, this was before we hung the curtain, so I should have flip my videos around, but I'm not going to even do that. And here I'm just in my bathroom showing how I'm trying to put these knobs in, but I need longer screws. And yeah. Those curtains my husband is putting up, well, he's doing the rod, but those curtains came from our old bedroom. They're not going to stay there. We just needed something up on the windows until our blinds came. But I definitely am going to put curtains up there. I want them to brush the floor. And that's us putting up that console table. It is so cute. Hello, YouTube. I am looking a hot mess, but my car is full of stuff. It's Friday, the last Friday of the month. I don't know what day it is, the 29th, 28th. But last Saturday, y'all, we got delivered our part of our bedroom furniture and our dining room table. So I'm going to show a little bit of that. And then today I got the couches today and the rest of our nightstands. So this is some stuff that I ordered from Wayfair back there, and then some stuff I just brought from the house because We're supposed to be getting the truck tonight and moving some big stuff out of the apartment. So my daughter's here with my grandbaby, and I'm going to go in here and get this stuff unloaded. Bye. It is lunch break. We tired. Me, my daughter, my husband, okay, more likely them than me. They've been working hard. We have one chair done. And those are so cute. This is gorgeous. I can't wait to use it. Don't know if I am, but I'm gonna. And this long runner, which I didn't think was going to be that long, which was supposed to go there or there, and it's too long, so it's going there. And anywho, here's the couch. Love these couches, sleeping baby. And here's the mirror that's gonna go up there some way, shape, or form. So anyways, it's a mess, but it's coming together. First meal in the house. Well, this ends day, I don't know. This was still Friday, and it's late. And we have cleaned up, straightened up, organized what we can. I have more furniture coming. But right now, we have, I'm sitting on the couch. But I will show you guys. I mean, it's not really too much to see right now. But I will show you guys more when it's finished. And I might just do a somewhat furnished home tour. Maybe. I don't know. But okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.